This Claude Cowork automation can get any business 10,000 new leads on LinkedIn every month, all fully automated. If you sell a service for $1,000 and close just 1%, that's 100 clients or $100,000 a month. Even at a 0.1% close rate, that's still $10,000 a month in extra revenue. In this video, I'll show you how to build this from scratch, even if you've never built any automated workflow with Claude Cowork before. I'll also break down how much it costs, it's really cheap, and how you can get your first 400 LinkedIn leads for free. But before we build it, let me explain how it works. You just type in the job title or position and the company type you want to target. Then it searches LinkedIn, finds matching profiles, reads their most recent posts, writes a personalized connection request and follow-up message for each one, and saves everything to a spreadsheet. And then all you do is click the link, copy the message, paste it into LinkedIn and hit send. This system works for any business: service business, agency owner, coach, consultant, freelancer, anyone who needs a steady flow of potential clients every day. First thing you need to do, if you haven't already done it, is download Claude desktop to your computer. To do this, you just go to claudeai.downloads and then you just download it and install it. And once it's installed, just click on open. What we will do is we're going to go to projects, and there we're going to create a new project. So I select start from scratch. I just call it demo LinkedIn lead generation. That's all I need to do for now. Click create. And then the first step I always like to do is we're going to go to instructions, and then I'm going to copy and paste my project instructions. Now, this is not an absolute requirement, but it will make your LinkedIn lead generation workflow much more effective, and it wastes much less credits because it knows exactly what to do. And that's what I have already defined here in my online area, right? This is my AI systems library where I have this part Claude Cowork systems, where you also get all these different workflows, and there I just have all the resources I'm going to be using to build this workflow up properly so it works in the best way. Now you can get access to this by clicking the link, the first link below in the video description. And there I already have lots of different things defined, like what's its task, like you are a business owner name. So I've already defined this for myself. So here I have you are Fabian, LinkedIn lead generation assistance. I run a YouTube channel in the AI automation space looking for paid collaborations and partners. But you could use this just for any business, right? What is the goal of your outreach? What is your offer? What do you want to achieve with it? Like, do you want to get discovery calls? Do you want to pitch or offer free audits or consultations? So you just fill out the placeholders. I've already done this for myself. And then I just copy that and paste it into my project instructions. Claude on its own can't really access LinkedIn and scrape profiles. That's why we need to connect it to a tool like Apify, which has access to all of these different scraping tools. Like they have like 23,000 of these tools, and they're really optimized and work really well for different platforms and also for LinkedIn. So just go to apify.com, sign up for a free account. They give you $5 in credits. And this is enough to get your first 400 leads. I'm going to show you how. And then what we need to do is you need to go to settings, and then you go to API and integration. This is your API key. This is what we need now. So let's go back to Claude first. We go to customize, and then we go to connectors. And then you click on the plus sign, click on browse connectors, and then you type in Apify. And this will open that. Then you will see some sort of a dashboard or a settings where you can basically enter your API token. So this is where you place that API key that you have here. So just copy that here, paste it in here, and then click save. And then it will load this here. And then you click always allow. And with that, this is done. So let's go back to projects, my LinkedIn lead generation. And then here in the plus, we want to make sure that Apify is active. So here, this should be switched on. Should already be automatically switched on, but just make sure it is. There are two more things I want to install into my project to get the best results. And this is what we call skills. So a skill is just basically a task that we have done before, and then it's then automated. So I already ran this LinkedIn lead generation automation, and once I had optimized the messages it was generating, like I want a highly personalized message, one for the connection request, like that's the first message you send someone when you click connect on LinkedIn, and a follow-up message after they have accepted my connection request. And once I've optimized this, I turn it into a skill, so I no longer have to chat back and forth with Claude to get the best message, but to get it automatically each time. So don't waste credits anymore. That's why I've created these skills, and they are really useful. And so I'm just download them here. Also here, that one, download. This is the second skill for the follow-up messages, and I'm going to install it. So this is not a requirement, but if you want to set this up properly and get the best result and don't waste credits, it's really useful to install these skills first. And to install a skill, you just also go to customize, go to skills, and here there you see it's already installed. So I'm going to remove this connection request writer, so I just can demonstrate to you how you install a skill. I already have the follow-up writer. So then you go to create skill, upload skill, and then we'll just add this connection request skill here. And well, that's all you need to do. It's installed and then it's going to work. Also for my project, so if I go in here, click here, I see these are all the skills I have access to. Perfect. Next, we want to scrape our first leads. So let me go back to how I would do this. Here I have already the prompt defined what I want to scrape. So let's just copy that here and paste it in this new chat window. I need to define and say, okay, what type of leads do I want? What position and what company market should they be in? I've already defined this. Marketing directors and founders at AI SaaS companies. That's what I want. So I'm just gonna paste this in here. And well, what this basically does, right? It uses this Apify Scraper. So let me go in here to find those 10 profiles on LinkedIn of marketing directors and founders. And it's gonna store them in a spreadsheet file. Okay, now it has run and it has found me 10 leads. And it created a file for me where it stored all those leads, and I could just basically open it in Google Drive to check it out. And there we have it. It has the name of the person, the company, the role, the headline, the URL, and some context. So this is where it scraped the latest post from this person and turned it into context that will then be used to generate the personalized messages. So it looks like I have read their last post. This gives me just a higher acceptance and reply rate back. So this makes this whole system more effective. So let's go back in here, because the next step, what we want to do is we want to generate a connection request message. So I will just use this prompt because I've already installed the skill. This is going to be very easy. So just paste this in here. It's going to generate the message for each of these people. And now it's updated my sheet. So if I click on view here, this will now update with all the connection request messages you can see here. Perfect. And now the next step is I need the follow-up message. After they have accepted my request, I want to have a follow-up message which is more direct to what I want to offer or what I want to take with that person to the next step, right? So that's why I just copy and paste the next thing in here and click submit. Okay, it's done. Let's click on it and see we now have the follow-up message. Perfect. Next, I want to automate this process. So I want to go to automate and I want to schedule this task to run every morning at 9 a.m. It should find me 10 new leads. And first, I need to also replace this with the business or the leads I want to have. So I put in the position and companies I want. I click on schedule task. It has been scheduled. Good. Now I go briefly in my project and there I see the scheduled task. This would now run every day and find me 10 new leads. Then you can change this to 333 leads. So I would go back then. I would go to my project and then I would just go in here and that chat is okay. Now change it to find me 333 leads a day. Update the scheduled task accordingly. And then I would enter it and then it will change this. Then I have like 10,000 leads a month, because there is no technical limitation, because it runs through Apify, and Apify is built for scale. Now I will show you how we'd actually do this, how you would actually send all these messages and connection requests out there. So every morning I will find new leads. I will just open the document, click on open it, or you can also open it on your computer because it stores your file, the spreadsheet on your computer. Just go to this. So I'm here, right? I can find it, LinkedIn leads. I just open it every morning and then I go in there. So it will open it in Open Office for me. If you have Excel, it will open it in Excel, and then it just go through those leads, right? So it's just going to go on here because then I can grab this. I just click copy that and open all the leads. So that's the first one. I want to connect. Then I want to add a note. Go back in here. My note here is this one. Copy. And then click send. And then I go to the next one, this one. Get the message. Click connect. Add note. Paste and hit send. Now you see on the free LinkedIn account, I can only send like 5 of these personalized messages a month. So if you don't have this free account, you can either skip it or you can upgrade to the free trial of the premium version. Now we'll do this for all these new profiles I have received that morning. I will go through each of them and send the connection request with the message attached to it. You can do this safely to within around 20 to 30 a day. Especially if you've just started doing it, and then you can scale it to maybe 40, even 50 a day. This is like 1,000 to 1,500 connection requests a month, and without hitting any restrictions by LinkedIn. And then if you want to scale it further to have like 1,000 leads contacted a month, you could hire VAs that can do this for you, right? Reach out and connect to people on your behalf and so on. Or there are certain platforms and tools that allow you to set up multiple LinkedIn profiles at once without getting blocked. So there are ways to scale this if you really want it. But for me, for the first testing phase, this is enough. But it's important what I want to do now. So I have sent these profiles, the connection request messages, and I want my sheet to be updated accordingly. So I don't do this manually, but I just tell Claude to do this for me, to update the sheet. So I'm just gonna paste, actually I want to paste the profiles in here. So all the profiles I've sent the connection requests to, I need to go back to my prompts because here have update lead status. So I have these, so every day, right? If I send connection requests, I will use this one. If I get new acceptance and I send a follow-up messages, I can also include the messages. So I will check my LinkedIn profile and see what's happening there. Who has accepted my request? I will copy their LinkedIn profile and paste it into the prompt. Who has replied to my follow-up message? I paste it in here. Who has replied and is not interested? I paste it in there, and I use the entire prompt, and then Claude will update the entire sheet for me. But for me, it will just be this one for now. So I have mark these LinkedIn profile as sent in my sheet, a connection request sent. So I will just go to the top here, and yeah. I will also say, okay, make a status column for that, and then click submit. Okay, here I need to click allow so it can change the file. To update this LinkedIn sheet, you see, created a new one, but I don't want this, so I will just basically go back in here and I will delete this sheet and then just rename this back. You don't have to do this, just make sure you close your spreadsheet file on your computer before you run this prompt. But then I can click open, and then you should see that here we have a status column where I see connection request was sent. Perfect, right? Now it has this, and I would do this every day. And with that, we have set up this automated system, and it works now. It generates me leads every morning. It finds me new contacts. At the moment, it's 10. After I run it for a week, I can scale it up to 333 a day. Then I have 10,000 leads a month. And then I can just find the best way for me to scale the outreach, send the connection requests, using multiple profiles, using VAs, right? Whatever works best for you. And then every day I open the spreadsheet file and send the connection request messages to the new leads, update the statums columns, all with the prompts. So just everything I do happens within my Claude Cowork. Now, if you do want a fully automated LinkedIn system that also automatically sends the messages out, I've already actually created this system. So this also not only finds the leads, but it also sends out all the messages, the connection request messages. It sends out the follow-up messages. It tracks the replies, fully automated. You just set it up once and then it runs. You don't have to do anything. You only have to basically deal with those people that replied they're interested and take them to the next level. Take them on the call, right? Reply with your offer, with whatever the next step is. However, this requires a little bit more setup steps. If this is what you're looking for, you can get access to by going to my iSystems library. I also link this up in the second link below in the video description, so you can check it out. Finally, let's briefly talk about the cost, because I think this is what most YouTube tutorials in this AI space are missing. They never tell you how much does it actually cost to run this lead generation. Let's first go to the bottom. You see per one lead scraped on LinkedIn, it costs you 1 cent. And there comes this post scraper as well, but this is just like 0.2 cent, less than a cent. So how much does it cost you for 100 leads? Well, it's basically $1.20 for 100 LinkedIn leads, including like personalized messages and everything, right? For 300 leads, it's $3. For 600, $7. Even for 1,000 leads, it costs you just $12 to have 1,000 leads in your sheet with personalized connection request and follow-up message. And then if you want to scale it to 10,000 leads a month, which technically you can do, is just $120. And even with the $5 credits you get on a free Apify account when you sign up the first time, you can scrape 416 leads for free using that. So you have like 400 leads here in your sheet, and then you do all the outreach, right? You might even land a few clients without paying anything. If you want to see more videos like this, where I show you how to build this automated AI systems and workflows with Claude and other easy to use AI tools, click the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos.